Welcome, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the essence of vitality, cleansing our intestines. It's not just about feeling good, it's about giving our bodies the reset they deserve. So let's embark on this journey together and whip up a beverage that's not only refreshing but also packed with detoxifying benefits. Ingredients. You'll need beetroot, 1 medium-sized, fresh ginger, 1-inch piece, lemon juice, 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder, 1-2 teaspoon, black pepper to taste. Preparation steps. 1. Begin by peeling the beetroot and chopping it into small chunks. 2. Take these vibrant beet pieces along with the ginger, turmeric, and a dash of black pepper and blend them until you achieve a silky smooth consistency. 3. Pour this rich mixture into your favorite glass and stir in the lemon juice. Remember, we're keeping all that fibrous goodness. No straining here. Why this drink works wonders. Beetroot. A powerhouse for detoxification, beetroot enhances digestion and ensures smooth bowel movements. Ginger. This root is a natural anti-inflammatory agent, calming your digestive system and fostering healthy waste elimination. Lemon. Bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon aids in detoxification and maintains an optimal pH balance for digestion. Turmeric. Celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric supports gut health and liver function. Black pepper. The secret ingredient, piperine in black pepper, maximizes nutrient absorption and bolsters digestion. Enjoy this drink on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning or during a mid-morning break to reap the full benefits. It's not just about cleansing, it's about embracing a proactive approach to health. So, cheers to a happier gut and a revitalized you. Remember, folks, it's all about nurturing our well-being and staying ahead of the game. Prevention is better than cure, and this drink is your ally in that mission. Until next time, keep thriving and stay healthy.